My name is Thomas Hilde. I'm the customer service manager of Q Park in Norway. As one of the top parking facility management companies, both in Europe and locally here in Norway, Q Park are managing a lot of parking facilities. Our parking facilities are typically managed for a landlord. The tasks we perform, or service level agreement if you will, can vary from just surveillance until full facility management. This means we have a lot of information, documentation, user manuals, floor drawings and so on that need to be stored and kept up to date at all times. We must also be able to retrieve the information when we need it. We also need a comprehensive but easy to use ticketing system to create both preventive and corrective work orders for our technical and maintenance staff. We had an in-house, self-developed software for ticketing, and we had a lot of other softwares and Excel sheets to store the information and data. So we now wanted to gather all of this into one software. For Q Park, it is imperative that everything we do and all the softwares we use have the same high standard and quality that Q Park are known for. So when we went out looking for a new software, we had quite an extensive list of requirements. We also wanted an off-the-shelf product that we could use straight away without too much development, but was still flexible enough to be adapted to our business, the parking business. We spent almost 2 years having meetings with different suppliers, but none of them could cover more than maximum 80% of what we wanted. So we had almost given up when one of our biggest customers told us about myMCS. After our initial meeting with MCS, it was clear they could cover more or less 100% of all our needs. We have now used myMCS for quite a while. All our data is in it. We use it for all our corrective and preventive maintenance tasks. The information is just a few clicks away, which is especially good for our customer service, which are handling about 26,000 customer enquiries every month. But it's not only an advantage for our customer service, it is now a much more effective way of executing and communicating the work orders. We are actually so happy with it that we are now going to implement it with our third-party supplier and also planning on interfacing myMCS with other softwares that we use. We feel that it has really improved our day-to-day business, and we are looking forward to continuing the good cooperation we have with MCS.